What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up X Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Today, look who I have with me. It is
Emmeline.
It is Emmeline. She's going to help us out on this video today. Now, as you've seen in the thumbnail, this video is going to be all about my first impressions with, bam, the AD300 Pro Mark II. As you can see right here in my hand, we are going to test this out in the studio and see it put it through its paces. I think it's going to be really nice. This is my first time actually having an AD300. And I know my boy T-Med, he lives and dies by this AD300. So of course I have to get one sent out to me and do my own testing. Now, what I will say is this is definitely a traveler's freaking light, man. And I just can't really wait to get into it with Emmeline.
Yeah, I'm excited.
She's excited, guys. And of course, I don't know, guys, if y'all been on my channel long enough, y'all know that Emmeline's absolutely one of my very first photo shoots on the channel. I'll probably link it up here somewhere.
We go way back.
Yeah, so she's definitely one of my first ever videos on YouTube, guys. And of course, if you want to work with Emmeline, all stuff's gonna be down in the description box below. Of course, what I popped on the screen by now. Don't hold your breath on that working with her though. Hey, Emmeline, you want to say anything else to the people?
No, that's it.
All right.
I'm just really pumped. Let's go.
She's really pumped. All right, guys. Let's get the fucking work.
Let's go.
All right, guys. As you can see right here, this is the setup today. And I believe this setup right here is absolutely going to be the best travel setup ever. I know we're in the studio, guys. It's cold in Lexington, guys. It just had a bad snowstorm. So, you know, this is going to be the best travel setup right here. I can see this soft box that I actually got this from Godox, and it's absolutely extremely small. I can put it in a check-on bag. Of course, you got the AD300 that's absolutely small. And I got this travel tripod here that's absolutely really amazing. Can hold up to 15 pounds. So this is really going to be probably my go-to travel when I go out traveling to these content trips with T-Med and all these type of situations. But we're going to go ahead and throw it through its paces while we're in the studio and see what we're going to get here. All right. I know you can't see right now, but your boy's on the tripod because your boy just had some surgery not so long ago. That's the reason why you haven't seen me. I had a torn rotator cuff. So at this point in time, guys, I'm just going to use one light and just kind of show you what you can really get with this AD300. Yeah, scoot over. Go ahead and take your balloon and scoot over too. Yeah, just trying to get in the middle there for me. There you go. And come a little close. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice, yeah. Nice. Love them. Yep, love it. Hang on for a second. Let me change this up. Give me just 1 second. Hold up.
Sit by it too.
You want to what?
I want to sit down by it.
Oh yeah, we can have you sit down too. It's not a big deal. Keep on, give me a few more. Yeah. Yep. Nice. All right, I like it. All right. So, you want to sit down?
Yeah.
All right. And then I get you standing back up. We'll get a couple more. You standing back up here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I like that a lot, yo. I like that a lot. Yeah, perfect, yeah. I love those. All right, guys. So, I love those. What I'm gonna do here is I'm going to feather the light just a tad bit so I can get it off that balloon there. Here we go. I love that pose, yeah. Turn that heart around for me. Hold that pose and just turn the balloon for me.
This?
Yeah, so I can see it. There we go. Thank you. All right, now do that pose again. Yeah. Let me see here. Oh yeah, I like all these guys, but I think I really am going to add another light here. Here's the thing, guys. I'm not going for moody on these. I really want to go for nice and airy. So this is the reason why I'm adding now. Yeah, there we go. Let me look at this. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we got it. Yeah. Yeah. Loving these. Yep. Put the other leg up.
This.
Nah, both your legs. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I like that.
My legs, mine like hip popped when I did that.
Nice. Hang on. Let me see here. I want you to go back to these other poses that we did earlier.
Oh, I like those.
Go back to that pose.
Go back to that pose. So demanding.
And turn that balloon around for me. Yeah, it's perfect, yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, these are perfect. Yeah, go ahead. I can keep on firing them off as long as you want to keep posing fast. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Good job. I'm gonna show you these. These are real good.
Oh, those are so good. Yeah, that's the vibe.
Let's do this one more time.
Yep.
I can't get that damn balloon to stay the way I want it to stay. It's always on the goddamn side.
It's doing its own thing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's always, see, there it is again. All on this side. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot better now. Get you standing now.
Okay.
Since we got a lot of those, that's gonna redo all these standing up and then. Yeah, perfect. Nice, yeah.
Yeah, those are really good.
All right, guys, I switched to the 85 here. Now, guys, I went to a tight. This is gonna be super tight now. Go ahead. Turn that balloon around. Turn the balloon around. There we go. All right, go ahead, pose. Yeah, that's actually really perfect. Guys, y'all can see the AD300 is keeping up with ease. And I'm really like, yeah, perfect, yeah.
Those look good. Chair.
And a chair on this, then we'll have you switch.
Okay.
All right, guys, here we go. Yeah, good job, man. Look at that. Nice. 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 Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check these out. Check these out.
No, those are so cute.
I'm gonna adjacent this real quick. Right here. Yeah, I was, yeah, I'm gonna,
Yeah, maybe if you lean it.
yeah, I'm gonna try to lean it right there. All right, here we go. Yeah, these are fire. Oh my goodness, yep, here it is right here, yeah. I love that when you lean forward like that. Yeah, do that, yeah, I love that. Yeah, these are perfect.
Those are awesome.
Those are awesome, right?
Yay.
All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the B light right now just to show you what you're gonna get from the 8300. It's gonna be a lot more moody, obviously. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the light just so y'all can get a proper, you know, showcase of what this can do. All right, so now I have cut off my B light, which is the AD600. And then I'm on 1/8 power. I think I'm gonna need to go up a little bit more with that now. Yeah, I'm gonna go up just a tad bit. And I'm actually going to, I'm going to 1/4, but I'm also gonna rotate that light a little bit more around her so it can hit her a little bit better. So right now, guys, this is gonna be only with the AD300. Yeah, I like the lean back like that. Yeah, that's actually really great. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, lean on your head, but just like that. Like, yeah. And it smell right there. Yeah, I love that. There we go. All right, here we go. I love these already. Perfect. Go ahead and put your legs like you was before, but turn away so you can be in the light. Your face can be in the light.
Like this?
Yeah, we could do that one first. Yeah, these are perfect. Perfect, yeah. M. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Kick one of your legs real high. There you go. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Bend the second one just like that. Thank you.